Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn about another type of topology, that is ring topology. As the name suggests, in ring topology, all the computers or nodes are connected in a shape of a ring in circular manner. So let's learn about it. The ring topology is also called as circular topology. Nodes are connected in such a manner that they form a closed loop in a shape of a ring. Each device or node is connected to only two adjacent nodes or neighboring nodes for communication. Data is accepted or received from one node and transmitted to another adjacent node. The data passes through the next computer or travels around in the ring automatically. Data travels in only one direction, but it may take either of the two possible routes. When one node sends data to another node, it passes or travels through each node in the ring till it reaches its destination and returns to the node that has sent the data. Finally, the sending node removes it from the network. In this process, every node retransmits the data to keep the signal intact. Now let's see its advantages. A short cable length is required, so it's very economical as compared to bus and star topology. Less connections are required, so the network in ring topology is more reliable, even if the load on the network increases. As only one cable or wire is connected to its adjacent node or computer, wiring closets are not necessary. There is no need for a network server to control the connectivity between clients or the workstations. Data transfer rate is faster in ring topology as it connects the cable between two computers only. And the last one, data is transmitted in one direction only, so it uses optical fiber for transmission of data, which provides high-speed transmission. Disadvantages of ring topology are: failure of one node or any cable may cause failure of the network, or it may break the loop and slow down the entire network. The data passes through every node, and if any node is faulty, then data will not pass through it unless and until the faulty node is removed or replaced. It's difficult to diagnose faults. If the network stops working, then series of adjacent nodes are to be checked to identify the faulty node. So, every node in ring topology should have inbuilt diagnostic facilities. And finally, it's difficult to reconfigure a network that has ring topology, as it's not possible to deactivate or remove a small portion of the network that is not functional. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe.